Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Ortizan X10 wireless speaker with any Android smartphone or tablet. To do this, you have to find this power button and click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking blue.
Power on. Bluetooth. Low power.
Right now we can
Charge.
release that button. As you can see, it's blinking, so we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our device. Select to pair a new device and pick Ortizan X10 from the list. Accept the pairing,
Bluetooth is connected.
and as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.